अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम
Salam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We start our lesson for today. So I request all brothers, sisters, please switch off your mic and switch off your cameras. All brothers and sisters switch off their mics and switch off their cameras. Today we have learned about the as-sakanu.
Assalamualaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. As-sakanu means living.
Nah.
This is a conversation between Ibrahim and Yusuf. And Sister Ummu Ahmad, please switch off your mic. Jazakallah. And Brother Al-Haj Hamid.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Assalamu warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. You are welcome to our class.
Jazakumullahu khairan.
Wa antum fa jazakumullahu khairan.
Ameen.
We start our lesson. This conversation is between the Ibrahim and the Yusuf. Ahlan wa sahlan fi hayyina ya Yusufu. You are welcome in our neighborhood. Fi hayyina, hayyina, our neighborhood. Our neighborhood. Fi hayyina. Ya Yusufu, O Yusuf, you are welcome to in our neighborhood. Yusuf replies, Ahlan bika ya Ibrahimu. Ahlan bika, you are welcome. Ya Ibrahimu, O Ibrahim. O Ibrahim, you are welcome. Hayya natajawwal hawla al-hayyi. Hayya, we have learned it. Let's. Natajawwal, walk around. Natajawwal, walk around. We walk around. Let's we walk around. Hawla al-hayyi, in my neighborhood. Around the, hawla mean around. Hawla, around. Okay. Let's we walk around. Let's we walk around about my neighborhood. Let's we walk around in my neighborhood. So Yusuf says, Al buyutu kabiratun wal mazari'u wasiyatun. Al buyutu kabiratun. The houses are big. The houses are big. Wal mazari'u wasiyatun. Wasiyatun mean wide. Wide or vast. Wal mazari'u wasiyatun, and the fields, farm, mazari, farms. Al buyutu kabiratun wal mazari'u wasiyatun, the houses are big and the farms are wide. So this is the neighborhood of the Ibrahim. Yusuf commenting about the neighborhood of the Ibrahim. Ibrahim, so then Ibrahim says, wa kaifa bihayyika ya Yusufu. Wa kaifa bihayyika ya Yusufu, and how about your neighborhood, O Yusuf? How about your neighborhood? Bihayyika ya Yusufu. Kaifa mean how? Wa kaifa bihayyika ya Yusufu. How about your neighborhood? So Yusuf replies, Innahu saghirun wal buyutu fihi qalilatun. Innahu saghirun, it is small. His neighborhood is small. So neighborhood means the neighboring area, neighboring village, like this. So his neighborhood is small. Innahu saghirun is small. Wal buyutu fihi qalilatun, and the houses in it are little. Qalilatun, little, few. So you can translate here. The houses are few there. Innahu saghirun, it is small and houses are few in it. Few in it. And houses are few in it. Wal hayatu fihi basitatun, and the life in it is simple. Basitatun, simple. Innahu saghirun wal buyutu fihi qalilatun, it is small and the houses are few in it. Wal hayatu fihi basitatun, and the life there in it is simple. So Ibrahim says, Kaifa bi sukkanihi. Kaifa bi sukkanihi. How about the residents? How about its residents? How about its residents? Kaifa bi sukkanihi. Bisukanihi, the people, they live in Yusuf Aji. So Kaifa bisukanihi, how about its residents? Residents means he want to know about the people they are living in the area of Yusuf. So Yusuf says, Aksaru sukkanihi shuyuhu. Aksaru sukkanihi shuyuhu, most of its residents are old. Ashuyuhu, old. Most of its residents are old. Wa amma, as far. Wa amma shababu wa yaskununa fil madinati. And as far about the youngs, they live in the city. As far about the youngs, they live in a city. Fil madinati. Kaifa yakunu zalika? Kaifa yakunu zalika? How it can be? How can this be? So he want to say how it can happen that the old man's living in the area and the young man's they living in the city. How can this be? Fursatul amali fihi nadiratun. Fursatu opportunity. Opportunity or chance. Fursatul amali fihi nadiratun. In it there are little chance of the work. So in it fursatul amali, opportunity of work. Fihi, in it nadiratun fi means very few, little. So fursatul amali fihi nadiratun, the opportunity of the work in it are few. Amma fi hayyina fursatul amali mutawaffiratun wal masani'u mutaaddidatun. So nadiratun you can translate nadiratun rar. The opportunity of work in it is rar. Amma fi hayyina fursatul amali mutawaffiratun. As for my neighborhood. Amma fi hayyina, as for our neighborhood. For fursatul amali mutawaffiratun. The opportunity of work are available. Mutawaffiratun are easily available. Easily available. Mutawaffiratun. Wal masaniu, masaniu mean industry, factory. Wal masaniu mutaaddidatun. Mutaaddidatun, various factory. So here better translation, numerous factories. And in it there are numerous factories. Amma fi hayyina, as for our neighborhood, fa fursatul amali mutawaffiratun, the opportunity of work are available. Wal masani'u mutaaddidatun, and many factory there and numerous factory there. Asifun, Yusuf says, Asifun, I'm sorry. Ladayya maw'idun. Maw'idun, an appointment. Ladayya, I have. Ladayya Moidun, I have an appointment ma'a ahli, with my family. I have an appointment with my family members. Alayya an arji'ul ana. Alayya an mean I have to. Alayya an, I have to. Arji al ana, go back now. I have to go back now. I have to return now. I have to return back now. Alana, no. Arjau mean come back, go back. I have to return back now. Hasanan, okay. Hasanan, okay. Araka, see you. Araka, see you. Qariban, soon. Araka, Qariban, inshallah. We'll see you soon, inshallah. There is one